Hi, this is Srishti from Jungly Billy, and today we will be making the spicy Bloody Mary mix, which is a take on the Bloody Mary classic. And we will show you and take you through the ingredients as we prepare the drink with you guys. Thank you. So to begin with, while the secret of a good drink is a frosted glass, it needs to be frosted at least 30 seconds prior or 30 seconds prior to 60 seconds prior of you servicing a drink. So right now, because we are making and I'm showing you how to do it, we take a old-fashioned glass. Any old-fashioned glass, even if you have it at home, works perfectly for this particular cocktail. I'm just going to put a few cubes of ice and let the glass be. Suppose you're in a hurry and you have a lot of guests coming in, the least you can do is just add a little bit of water to the frosted glass so that it frosts a little faster. As you can see on the plate, we have something called a heen ka namak, which is basically a 2:1:1 proportion, with asafoetida being one portion, being one ratio, red mirchi powder being another one ratio, and 2 ratios of normal Tata white salt. To make it exotic, or if you want to do a gourmet twist on it, we now in the market have pink Himalayan salts, we have sea salts. You could also grind it fresh and add it to this. I'm going to be doing a mix of, which I've already made. It's a mince of jalapenos, and it's been macerated overnight for at least 24 hours with the heen ka masala. There's obviously olives that we have made in this, and then there's a little lemon juice that is being made for the base of the mix. Now in a cold shaker, again the laws of bartending are very clear. You put the cheapest ingredient first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill my shaker with a lot of ice. To this I'm going to add first my mix of jalapeno and olives that have been macerated for some time. I'm going to add a little bit of heen ka namak. Just going to borrow it from the plate. Sorry. It's a really spicy mix, so guys, you really want to be careful with this one. It can be very spicy. If you want to add a little bit of Tabasco, you can, but since we are doing a twist on the classic, it depends. I'm going to add a little bit of lime juice that's already kept here. And then I'm going to add my tomato juice to it. And as I said, if you would also notice, I'm adding, as I said in the beginning of the video, it's always good to add the cheapest ingredient first, which is your ice. Then go with your mix, whatever the base is. Then go with your spice, which was my heen ka masala. And then add the juice, and in the end, I'm going to add 60 ml of vodka. You could use any vodka you want; it doesn't matter. Now, can I have Arjun to shake it? Now, Arjun, you just come and shake it. Him shaking the drink. Now for the final garnish, we're going to now empty the glass straws. With the help of a fresh lime wedge, I'm just going to rim the glass in this fashion. And I'm going to dip it over here. Anything excess will just fall in the glass, and it'll have a taste come over the glass, so we are good to go. It's a clean rim that I've done. And now, because I don't like a lot of ice, this is the heen ka masala. Now because I don't like a lot of ice and I think it dilutes your drink totally, I'm just going to clean stir and pour it. For a little bit of garnish, we're just going to use olives and green chili. Mint, I guess, is just very refreshing to see to the eyes as well. So I'm just going to bunch a lot of mint together and push it till the base of the glass. And definitely a very clean slice of lime to be dropped. And there you go. That's a Bloody Mary, Philly style. So guys, that's your spicy Mary. Whenever you want to have it for a party, you can make it in pitchers, you can add a lot more things you want to. There's no standardized recipe for a cocktail. But if you want to have this particular one, do come to Janvi Bailey and enjoy a sip with me also for the same. And try the recipe out and let me know whether you like it or not. Thank you for watching 365 Days of Bliss. Subscribe and do keep watching.